Okay, if you've 3D printed my screw-on hub adapter for the Bambu AMS Lite, you should be at this point, and I want to show you how to disassemble the factory hub and switch it over to the new one that you've just printed. First of all, we turn the flange on the back of this clockwise. Inside we've got a slot that you can rotate around, and basically you rotate it so you're underneath the jaw and pry, and that will take the jaws out, or at least align it so you can take the jaws out. That's two of them. We'll get the last one here. Just a flat-bladed screwdriver. Okay, we've got the jaws out. Now we're going to take the inner cylinder out. We're going to put it into the 3D printed new hub. We're going to go ahead and put a bigger flange on there. If you're running sun-loose spools or one of those, you probably want to run a bigger flange. Align your three slots here and rotate this counterclockwise. That's it. It's basically together. Snap it back on your machine. If you want to, you can go ahead and glue this hub onto their hub, or just leave it loose. It doesn't matter. And once you snap it on the machine, it'll accept virtually any roll of filament out there today.